welcome back to Daisy Chain Crochet. I'm so glad that you're back. Please take a seat and let's see what we can learn today. Alright, so for today I'm going to show you how to make a half double crochet. If this sounds very foreign to you, please go back to my previous videos where I show you the basics of crochet. I show you how to make a chain stitch, how to put a slip knot on your hook, how to do a double, a single and a treble crochet. For today, I'll show you how to make a half double crochet. Alright, so let's get started. For today, I'll be using my 5mm hook and also some full ply yarn from Loop and Thread. Alright, let's get going. So let's start with putting a loop, or slip knot rather, on our hook, and we will chain 10. Alright, skip this first stitch over here and work into the next one. This is set up just like a double crochet, as in you'll yarn over, you'll go through the top of the V, you'll yarn over again, you'll have 3 loops on your hook, and this time you'll yarn over and pull through all 3. Let me show you again. Yarn over through the top of the V, yarn over again and pull through. So you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. Let's do it again. Yarn over through the top of the V, yarn over, pull through. 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Alright, let's keep going to the end. This is a half double crochet. As you can see, it's half the work of a double crochet. If you've not watched the previous videos, please go back and see how to make a double crochet, and then you'll understand what I mean by this is half of what you would do in a double crochet. Alright, so there you go all the way to the end, keep practicing, and if you make a mistake, it's no problem, just take your hook out and unravel the yarn. This is why I like this yarn, it's easy to unravel, it doesn't get stuck, and I can easily frog it. That's what it's called when you undo the stitches that you've made. It's called frogging. It's easy to frog this yarn, and I feel like I don't lose as much yarn if I make mistakes being stuck or getting knotted up that I have to cut. This just comes apart quite easily. But anyway, the only way to get better is by practice, so keep practicing this. If you need more practice, go back to my previous videos, go see what I did there. And before you know it, you'll be able to do these projects that's in front of us here. If you come back to the next video, I'm going to show you how to make a magic circle. And that will be like the inside of this daisy here, for instance, another staple for crocheting. But first, master these stitches like I've mentioned before, the single, double, treble and half double crochet, because with these foundation stitches you'll be able to make any project. Like and subscribe to this video, please save it or share it with your friends. Like I've said before, sharing this passion or sharing your hobby with friends is way more fun. So invite a friend over, make a cup of tea and practice together. Alright, well, I'll see you back in the next video. Can't wait to show you how to do a magic circle. Happy crocheting. Bye bye.